Hello students, I am Rajeshwar, your geography teacher. Today we will interpret the topo sheet. Earlier we have discussed about the topo sheet and its marginal information like the easting, northing, scale, sheet number, conventional signs and symbols. All of you have this type of topo book. What is written? ICSC practice skill in map and topo sheets. In this sheet, first topo sheet or appendix 1 is given. This is appendix 1. Before that, again I want to tell you, sheet number is given here 45D10 and downside scale is given. 3 scale are given here. One is RF, 1:50,000. Second is linear scale. Third is verbal scale. It is written kilometer, 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. This scale is also known as the statement of the scale. And all of you are able to see that numbers are increasing in a particular direction like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 17, 18, 19 and above they are increasing. They are known as the northings. Now we will discuss the exercise of this topo sheet. Here it is written, study the map sheet number D10. One more place is there where we can know about the sheet number. Now question, what do you understand by the statement of the scale? Verbal scale is known as the statement of the scale. Now the next question which we have to solve, that is give 4-figure grid reference of the following, like the settlement Bhamra, Dhadtalao, south of Dhan, sheet rock near Dangri, sheet outcrop in north. But before that we will find out how we find out it or how we check the 4-figure grid reference of this. On this page I have divided like the topo sheet, like numbers are increasing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10 eastings and from 0, 1 to 10 northings. First of all, a triangle is given. We will find out the 4-figure grid reference of this triangle. Now for it we will select the line which is left and line which is below. Like this is the triangle, line which is left is this one 0, 2 and line which is down this one 0, 5. Now the 4-figure grid reference of this triangle will be the 0, 2, 0, 5. Always keep in mind that easting will come the first, northing will come the later. Now this tree is given, here this tree is given. Now we will find out. Now the left 0, 4, down 0, 3. 0, 4, 0, 3. After that C is written here. Now we will again check line which is left 0, 3, line which is down 0, 8. Now the 4-figure grid reference of this point will be 0, 3, 0, 8. Now one square is given. What is the 4-figure grid reference of this? 0, 7, 0, 2. 0, 7, 0, 2. Now one star is given here. 4-figure grid reference of this star is 0, 5 and 0, 7. 0, 5, 0, 7. Like that we will find out the points and we will give the 4-figure grid reference of these areas. In this sheet our first question was the 4-figure grid reference of Bhamra. First of all we have to find out where Bhamra is given. Look at the sheet and then find out your answer where Bhamra is given. Then we will go through this sheet and find out Bhamra is given here. Again the same thing we will do, that what is the 4-figure grid reference of Bhamra. The line which is left and the line which is below. If this is given on the intersection of easting and northing. Now the line which is left given here is 04 and the 04 and 20. So the 4-figure grid reference of Bhamra is, now the 4-figure grid reference of Bhamra is 0420. Next is Dhad Talao south of Dhan. Dhan, we have find out the village Dhan here. The cluster of red square is known as a village if it is bigger than that and more metal road are there and all the social facilities are present, then we call it a city. Now we come on the topic, the Dhad Talao south of Dhan. Dhan village is here. Dhad Talao is written here. Now the 4-figure, this is a Talao. Talao is a Hindi word. In topo sheet, some Hindi words are also written. You can find out these Hindi words from page number 21 also. Now, the line which is left and line which is below. The line which is left is here. This one is 07. You are able to see 07. Dhad Talao 07 and here it is given 22. Now, the 4-figure grid reference of this Talao is 07 and 22. Keep this thing in mind that we will always write down the easting first and northing later. Now the sheet rock near Dhangri. Now we have to find out the village Dhangri like it is given here. Dhangri and sheet rock is written here. This is the sheet rock. You are able to see. Now the 4-figure grid reference of this, the same line which is left and line which is below. Line which is left is the 10 and below 24. Now the sheet rock 4-figure difference is 10, 24. Next is sheet outcrop in south. Sheet outcrop in south. We will check from this sheet and we will write down where it is given. Or sometime examiner can ask, it is given not in the south, sheet outcrop in the north. If you will see then the sheet outcrop, this is the north portion of the topo sheet. We will check that here it is given sheet outcrop, the line which is left and line which is below. The line which is left is 08 and line which is down is 26. Now the 4-figure grid reference of this sheet outcrop in the north is 08 and 26. Student, I think all of you are aware about the 4-figure grid reference. Now we will discuss about the 6-figure. Like question is there, find out the 6-figure grid reference of spot height 339. This is given here in the north. Like you are able to see a black dot is there. This dot represent a spot height. What we will do, first of all 4-figure grid reference of 339, spot height 339. 4-figure grid reference of this sheet is line which is left and below. Line which is left is 04 and 27. Same thing we will write down that 04 and 27. But we will left some space between these like I have left. Now what we will do? We will divide this square into 10 equal part as this sheet is divided, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the horizontal distribution. Now vertical distribution will be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it will be the 0, 2 and no, we will write down only 6, like first of all 4 figure 4, 27, then 2 and 6. Now this will be the 6 figure grid reference because 6 number are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Class, this is clear. Now the next question is here. Surveyed tree in the northeast of Bhamra. First of all, find out Bhamra is given here, and here 226, a black type of tree is there. This type of tree is known as the surveyed tree. The same thing we will write down. First of all, 4 figure grid reference of surveyed tree. We will select the same thing. We will find out that what is the 4 figure grid reference of this surveyed tree. Surveyed tree is there. Line which is left is 0, 6 and line which is down is 21. We will write down 0, 6 and 21. We have left some space in between these two. Now again we will do the same thing. We will divide this into 10 equal parts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it comes 1 and 4. Now this is the 6 figure grid reference of this 0, 6, 1, 2, 1, 4. Like that we will find out the 6 figure grid reference of other features which they are asking. It can be of a tree, it can be of a village, it can be of other thing. Now the next question is also there. We have discussed statement of scale. Verbal scale is known as 4 figure, 6 figure. Now on the next question, besides statement of scale, what are the other method of representing scale on map? Now which are the 2 other methods of representing scale on a map? These are given here. 3 methods are there: RF and linear. Then your answer will be the 2 other methods beside the statement scale are RF and linear scale. Thank you for today.